What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be taking a look at another Bluetooth speaker, but this time not by Anker, by JBL. This is the newer version. This is the JBL Clip 3, the newer version of their mini speaker. And this was the color I was able to get my hands on. This is the kind of pinkish, maybe rose goldish color of the speaker. It does come in multiple colors. The gray / black being my favorite, but we're gonna take a look at the pink one in this video. So quick look at the box. You got the little window showing what the speaker looks like. It's a pretty nice color. It does have a 10-hour battery life, and what makes this speaker clip is the little clip that it has. You can clip on your bag, anywhere you can, click anything on. Pretty cool. To the back here you have, nice graphic design right here. Clip play, looks ruggedized and everything. It is, like you saw just now, 10-hour playtime, IPX waterproof. So for all you pool guys or pool gals, or if you're gonna hit up the beaches and you want some music with you, pretty cool speaker to have. Does have the speakerphone on it, which is pretty good if you just want to hear them hear conversation just like major loud. Alright, so let's take a look at the speaker. Let me grab my little knife right here. Got my little Swiss Army knife. We're gonna go into the box. Which side should we open from? We're gonna open from the bottom right here. So let me just slit right there. We're gonna go as neat as possible because I am a fan of keeping my boxes. There we go. Alright, so back of the box you get your reading book, which we will not take a look at. In here, I'm assuming this is where your charger is, or your USB. Yep, so you get an orange classic JBL color USB. Not too bad. And let's just pop the speaker off. Oh, nice and easy. And it doesn't really want to come off. There we go. And this is the JBL Clip 3, guys. Pretty nice. Let me, just so I can show you guys a comparison, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the if you saw a couple videos back, I did an Anker nano speaker, and you guys, someone got a size comparison of how tiny that speaker is. So we're just gonna pull it up to the JBL right here. There you go, guys. So Anker Nano, JBL Clip. Pretty small, but not as small as a Nano. So you guys got a little size comparison right there. Speaker's pretty cool. Nice, rugged, nice and round. Easy to hold. Got a little clippy thing here for all the, you're going to hook it up on something. It's pretty cool. Nice exclamation mark at the back there. You do have your power button and your Bluetooth button to this side of the speaker. I'm assuming this is your mic if you want to go on loudspeaker. And because it's waterproof, your ports are kind of water sealed. So you have your aux jack and your micro USB. Just a quick note, if you guys have the older version of this, that one actually came in a built-on aux cord. This one does not have an aux cord on it, so not a crazy disappointment. I mean, everything nowadays is Bluetooth, so you don't really need the aux cord, but they were kind enough to include the aux cord there for all the old school people out there. So let's connect this up, play some tunes, see how this bad boy sounds. I got my tablet right here. Get it out of frame. We're gonna power this thing on. Oh, wrong button. Nice JBL sound right there. We're gonna hit the Bluetooth button. There we go. Got a little sound saying it's in Bluetooth mode. I'm gonna go over to my tablet right here. We're gonna turn it on. And just like with any JBL device, the name of the Bluetooth will be the name of the device. So this is the JBL Clip 3. Right there. It's trying to pair. And just like that, easy peasy, we're all connected. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can get a better look at the speaker. There we go. I'm going to head over to, our favorite destination for music, or copyright music actually, non-copyright. Head over there really quick, non-copyright. And we're just gonna play, let's play this one right here. Wait past the ads. Alright guys, here it comes. So we are currently, let me zoom back out. Alright, so we're currently at half volume. Let's see if you can max out the speaker. So that's the speaker maxed out, and the tablet is at 50%. And now we're just gonna max it out.
But they tell me don't stress, cause that shit, yeah, it's all in your mind.
So these are some spec beats on YouTube, make sure to check them out. This is the top 20 non-copyright rap hip-hop songs 2018, intro, background, outro, montage music. Pretty cool. Yeah, guys, and that's how the speaker sounds, guys. It sounds pretty good. A little bit better than the old one, but not a major upgrade. But if you haven't have a clip yet, you got the money, you're gonna go buy a speaker. You walk in the store, you see the old clip and the new clip. Why not grab the new clip? Especially if it's the same price. Most likely the old clip will be a little bit cheaper, but I kind of prefer this hook design over the other hook design. However, that one was a little bendy, but I kind of like this one a lot better. And you get a little bit of more color variation on the newer Clip 3, guys. And with that, we're gonna end the video right here. Purchase link for the speaker will definitely be in the description below. And you know, hit up in the comments. Did you like the speaker? Would you get the speaker? And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.